Gearbox shifting problems? Getting rough gear changes? Don't pay expensive garage bills. Fix it with Forte automatic transmission treatment now. The problems are: first, your gearbox oil has become old and dirty. Dirt has built up over time, and is now slowing the oil flow around the gearbox system. Your gearbox oil is most likely at the incorrect level as well. Incorrect gearbox oil level is the #1 cause for lumpy gear changes. Second, the dirt could have collected together, and could now be blocking the solenoids inside the mechatronics unit, and instead of getting smooth gear changes, you're now getting a kick as the fluid forces its way past the blockage to move the gears into place. So here at BMW Tool Rental, we suggest adding 2 bottles of automatic transmission treatment to the gearbox oil, and running it for a few hundred miles to clear out the system and remove any gunk that has built up over time. Then do a gearbox oil change, and add 1 bottle of Forte automatic transmission treatment with the new oil to keep your gearbox running perfect. To buy now, please contact us at www.bmwtoolrental.co.uk.